morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Cook and Inspire back in the kitchen again with Chef Garnet. And you know, so when Chef Garnet in the kitchen, it's nothing normal. I'm telling you, it's pure excitement when I'm in the kitchen. Yeah, so before I get into the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, you know, because I want to do good video for you guys. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that when I post content, you will be the first one to get it. Yes? And you don't want to miss out on anything because, you know, I do this for you. Anyways, this morning, what I'll be doing some triple blend porridge. You know, sometime in the morning, it is good to have a good breakfast. You know, sometimes you can't really do the English breakfast, as they call it, the whole fry up shebang. You know, and the ackee and saltfish and dumpling Jamaican style. Sometimes you just need some porridge, you know, to keep us going for the day. And sometimes porridge can be a really good ways, you know, to have a breakfast. Not to overfill your stomach, you know, something substantial. Yeah, so I'll be using peanut and green plantain, and I'll be using some oats as well. So that's my triple blend porridge that I'll be doing this morning. I'll be going through it step by step and show you how to do your porridge, okay? Back in the days, we grew up on porridge mainly. When my son was much younger, you know, I asked him, you know, what you want for breakfast? He said porridge. I said, what you want for lunch, son? He said, you want porridge. I said, what you want for dinner? He said, I want porridge. So you can tell, I love to cook porridge. And he grew up on porridge. And now, he don't even want to drink porridge. I think he had too much, you know, so big up them. Yeah, man, and big up all the channel them where always I support Cook and Inspire. You know, big shout out to you. No, yourself, you know. You know, Stacy and Shiv, bless up on yourself, brother. Marshy and Diggs, bless up. Travelers, influencers, bless up. As so much name me can't remember some of them, you know. You know, how me eat, yeah man, bless up yourself. I'm a good version that. Yeah, man, go over there. And Anne-Marie cooking healthier, big up yourself. You see me I say? Angie Vibe Kitchen, big up. I hope people get big up this morning, you know. Because we're not only drink porridge, we don't want to get fat by ourselves, we want everybody to grow up. Yeah man, you see me I say? And big up Kelly at TV. Yeah man, I'm a good looking friend that man. Instagram and YouTube and get me I say? Yeah man, super active family. Yeah man, and good people, let me know. Over there and check them out too. Yeah, so before we get carried away and all of that, I'm going to show you how to boil porridge this morning. Triple blend porridge. Yeah? So first of all, we got around 2 cups of water over there. And I'm just going to put in a tip of salt. I'll have to put some salt when I'm boiling my water. That's a little tip. Yeah? And I've got here 3 cinnamon leaves. And here, if you come closer, follow me, we got some nutmeg. This is the nutmeg. Yeah, and this is the mace. We call it the mace and the nutmeg. Yeah, so what I'm doing, I'm taking off the mace off the nutmeg. Right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put that in there. And over here we got some mixed spice. So I'm gonna tip a little bit in my water. That's a little tip, you know, a little tip. And over here we got some coconut, yeah, coconut milk, and it's really good for you, you know, cholesterol. You know, coconut milk, they said good for cholesterol as well. Yeah? We got our plantain. We got a green plantain here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna chop that up. Put that in here, NutriBullet. Yeah, so I'm putting a little bit. And you know, plantain, you know, it's a family of banana. Right? It's good. Cover that up. So a couple of years now, I'm gonna blend. Yeah, see? Yeah man. There's one more YouTuber I like to big up still now. You know, Lady Fennel. Yeah man, a good people them too. Good people them man. Akeem, big up yourself brother. top singer in the business. Yeah, man. So here now, we're gonna go in with our peanut. I've got raw peanut here. Yeah, raw peanut. And I'm gonna blend it with trash. You know, peanut is good for protein, good in iron protein as well. Keeps saying good in protein. Iron in protein. You know, I'm gonna blend it with the trash. But come here and say, yeah, see them say the trash good for you. I don't know how true that is. If somebody know what I'm talking about, they can leave it in the comment. And I'm gonna go in with my oats. I got a cup of oats. I'm going on faster oats. I use. You know, so the faster oats have a lot of gum in it. Yeah, man. Maybe some of that milk. Yeah, man. So let me blend this up and come back and show you what I'm going. Yeah, man. I made this again. in case you know one there. Yeah? So yeah. So this is what it looks like. Our peanuts. So people, come and have a look. What we are talking about. So I've blended it up with the trash and everything. You can look. This is the consistency you're looking for. You can basically eat this on its own, like a smoothie. There's peanut and it's oats in there. Yeah. All you need is a bit of honey, and you're good. A few berries on top of it. Yeah. So this is it. The trash is in there, and you see, you can't even see. There's a lot of porridge still in there. As you know, I love porridge. And in case I didn't know, my wife always pressuring me every day. I said, Garnet, can you buy me some peanut porridge? Or cornmeal porridge? I don't know, they probably just love porridge. Maybe because I'm broke, them not too much porridge still. She always said, can you buy some porridge with coconut milk? I'm not some hours a night. I don't know if somebody can drink porridge hours a night. Yeah, man. Wash out this now because now there's nothing around here. I hope this pot can hold still. I hope I porridge this. Yeah, man, look up virgin, you know, in your ravioli. Yeah, man. Good you too. Always I watch my video them. Yeah, man, more than the man if I have my video on playlist. Respect here, brother. And people they call real people, you know. But they are still I want support. So yeah, man, this is the porridge. Mixed porridge blend. As we call it, the triple blend porridge. And the triple power. Yeah, man. Triple power. I think this one has some more water still, you know. Put some over here, sir. Some more of that coconut milk in there, because you don't know the thing, though. In case you didn't know, or you never seen a plantain, this is a green plantain. Yeah, it's a family of banana. I got a brethren named Wayne. Live up the road from me, you know what? More than that, the man that pass out my yard and I ask. He call me G. He said, G, what happened? What if you eat? And more time he see all the video them post up. And I say, why G, you know the food around there? I say, Wayne. That gone from all last week, brother. You know, so Wayne, big up yourself, brother. Always a pass round. So this is our porridge mix. Let's come back again. And you can see, this is the amount of porridge. So that porridge thing. And this is when you finish the porridge finish boil, this is the consistency you want the porridge to be. You want it too thick, you don't want it too watery. Yeah? So people, let me bring this pot a bit closer for now. How I go on now? Turn on this stove. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in with my, if you come closer and have a look down at the pot where I go on. Yeah, man, gonna pour in the mixture. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna keep stirring that, because you don't want it to lump up on you. I know this thing already just started to lump up. Yeah. And it's gonna take at least around 20 minutes, you know, to cook. 20 minutes to half an hour. Yeah. And those nice flavor from the peanut and the plantain. You know, plantain, it can be a bit sweety as well, so that sweetiness from the plantain, it's good. You know, this is the way to start your morning. Especially sending off the kids them to school. Give them a healthy breakfast so when they go to school them can learn. Them not think about them belly when the worm them started to ball. Yes, people. Here we have our porridge, our triple blend, aka triple power porridge, peanut, plantain, and oats. Yeah, man. This is one of all of the man, you know. So, what I'm gonna do halfway through the process, I'm gonna go in with probably about half a cans of that nourishment. You know, we don't want the whole can. Depends on how thick it is, then you can use the whole can. Yeah, man, there's a lady named, there's a YouTuber, Lady Emma, you know, I forget her, you know, as I said to you before, once I start calling name, then I'll be in trouble, because I know every YouTuber is my family still. Yeah, man, every YouTuber is my family. Yeah, there's a YouTuber, you know, I respect a YouTuber still. Very big, he might grow, and he might grow fast, you know. The Wise Family, yeah, man. Them name, the Wise Family 5, yeah. Always look out and big up the thing. Yeah, man, so big up the Wise Family 5. Let me keep stirring this, because you have to keep stirring it, because you don't want it to go lumpy on you and come back and show you when we're gonna spice it up. Putting all your local ingredients, you know. So, I'll see you next time when I come back. Not next time, but when I come back. Not next time, but when I come back. You can rap me. I'm not rap that child thing though. You know, I've been saying at Jamaica, the boat soon land, porridge soon land. Yeah, man, so this is it. Look at the consistency. If you come and have a look, so when I talk about, look at that. See that? It's a nice consistency you want. And I'm gonna sweeten it up now. So what I'll be doing, I'll be going in with some nutmeg, you know, grate that in. I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of cinnamon powder, you know. A bit of vanilla. And mix that in. I'll be going in with just a little bit of evaporated milk, maybe about 3 tablespoons of evaporated milk. And you also have your condensed milk, you know. Oh, this one is ticked up. I'll leave it in the fridge and ticked up. Yeah, so I don't know, some of you may like it sweet, some of you may not like it sweet, so yeah. Let me just taste this and see if I need any more sweetening in there. I always get a spoon to taste your thing. You know, so yeah. I think I need a little bit of sugar in that, yeah. So I'll be using some brown sugar. Yes, people, here we are. We got our triple blend, aka triple power porridge. Yeah, man, I'm telling you, it's a normal. Cook and Inspire did it again. Yeah, man. So here we have it, our finished product of our porridge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell because you'll be notified when we drop a new video. Yeah? Until next time, Cook and Inspire, in and out the kitchen. Take a look and see what's happening. Cook and Inspire, in and out the kitchen. Until next time we see you when we drop a new video. Yeah, man. Bless up on yourself and have a good day. If you can't be good, be careful. Yeah, man. Safe travel up on the gravel. Don't drink and drive. Kids, listen to your parents. Yeah, man. Wife, listen to your husband. Husband, listen to your wife. Yeah, man. Bless up on yourself. I mean that.